5 minerals. Like vitamins, minerals are also micronutrients. However, none of them is produced inside the body. They are taken from external sources such as plants and animals. Calcium, zinc, iron, iodine, phosphorus, and magnesium are some essential minerals. Function: each mineral performs specific functions in the body. The Table 3.2 tells us the functions of calcium and iron in the body. Science blog: minerals are present in the ground and in water. They are absorbed by plants through their roots. Animals obtain them by consuming plants and drinking water. We can also obtain them by taking salts. 6. Fibers. Fibers are a type of plant-based carbohydrate. They cause the feeling of fullness and regulate bowel movement. Some fiber-rich foods are barn, vegetables, oats, etc. 7. Water. Water is not a nutrient, however, it is a part of a balanced diet. It helps in the digestion and excretion of food. All the chemical reactions in our body take place in the presence of water. Knowledge 3. 2 essential nutrients. Chemical composition and food sources. You are already familiar with the essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Now, you will learn what make up these nutrients and from where can we obtain them. 1. Carbohydrates. Chemically, carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen arranged in 1:2:1 proportion. Sources: carbohydrates can be obtained from all sweet fruits such as bananas, apples, mango, dates, and raisins. The other sources of carbohydrates are grains, wheat, brown rice, oat, barley, etc., vegetables, and milk products. Interesting information. The amount of carbohydrates varies in different foods. The table given below shows the approximate amount of carbohydrates in various foods. 2. Proteins. The building units of proteins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. However, the number and arrangement of the elements in proteins are different from that of carbohydrates and fats. Sources: eggs, milk, meat, chicken, pulses, beans, peas, etc. provide us with proteins.